and welcome. If you also want to open your Aadhaar center or BC point for which you must have IIBF BCBF certificate, then is today's video will revise the important question of important IIBF BCBF exam which are mostly asked in the exam. Please watch the full video and subscribe channel. In fact, first question is under PMSBY portal disability claim is available for. Then first objective is 50,000 rupees, second objective is 1 lakh rupees, third objective is 2 lakh rupees, fourth objective none of above. Is right answer is 1 lakh rupees. Is right answer is second. Next question. Next question. What is validity period of check? What is validity period of check? Then first objective is 4 months from date of issue, second objective 3 months from date of issue, third objective 1 month from date of issue, fourth objective unlimited. This right answer is 3 months from date of issue. This right answer is second. Next question. Next question. Under PMSBY accidental death claim is available for. Next question. Under PMSBY accidental death claim is available for. Then first objective is Rs 1 lakh rupees, second objective is Rs 2 lakh rupees, third objective Rs 3 lakh rupees. This four objective is none of above. This right answer is 2 lakh rupees. This right answer is second. Next question. Next question. Which type of deposit earns higher interest rate? First objective is current account, second objective saving account, third objective fixed deposit, fourth objective none of above. This right answer is fixed deposit. Right answer is third. Next question. Question. What is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY? What is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY? Then first objective is covers life insurance up to 1 lakh rupees, second objective Rs 2 lakh rupees, third objective accidental insurance cover. This fourth objective is none of above. This right answer is 2 lakh rupees. Right answer is 2 lakh rupees. In second is right answer. Next question. Question is what is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? Question. What is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? First objective is accidental insurance cover, second objective life insurance cover, third objective is overdraft up to 5,000 rupees. This fourth objective none of above. This right answer is accidental insurance cover. First is right answer. Next question. Question is what is Atal Pension Yojana APY? What is Atal Pension Yojana APY? Its first objective is provide social security 100 year. Then second objective worker saves. Third objective fixed pension is paid in attending age of 60 year. And fourth objective all of above. Its right answer is fixed pension is paid of attending age of 60 year. This right answer is third. Next question. Question is what is minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? Question. What is minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? This first objective is 100 rupees, second objective no minimum deposit required, third objective 1000 rupees, and fourth objective is 5,000 rupees, 500 rupees. Sorry. This right answer is no minimum deposit required. His right answer is second. Next question. Question: what is the minimum amount of deposit acceptable in a small account? Question: what is the minimum amount of deposits acceptable in a small account? This first objective is 30,000 rupees, second objective 40,000 rupees, third objective is 50,000 rupees, fourth objective none of above. Its right answer is 50,000 rupees. Its right answer is third. Next question. Question is, what is bank myth? Who is bank myth? This first objective, banking correspondent engaged by banks. Second objective, valuable customer of bank. Third objective, security guard in a branch. Is fourth objective none of above. Its right answer is banking correspondent engaged by banks. Its right answer is first. Next question. Question: who can open an account under PMJDY? Who can open an account under PMJDY? His first objective is minor above the age of 10 years. Second objective, only lady of house. Third objective is only head of family. His fourth objective, all of above. His right answer is all of above. Next question. Question: what are the benefits attached to PMJDY? His first objective 1 lakh rupees, second object 30,000 rupees, fourth objective 5,000 rupees. Its fourth objective is all of above. His right answer is all of above. His fourth number is right answer. Next question. Question: what is made by Aadhaar seeding? What is meant by Aadhaar seeding? Its first objective is linking of Aadhaar with bank account. Second objective, duplicate insurance of Aadhaar. Third objective, transfer of Aadhaar. Its fourth objective, none of above. His right answer is none of above. His right answer is fourth. Next question. Question: to whom overdraft facility of 5,000 in PMJDY account is available? His first objective is after 6 months satisfactory candidate of amount. Second objective, 1 account per household. Third objective, customer is a group of 18 to 16 year. His fourth objective, all of above. His right answer is all of above. His right answer is fourth. Next question. Question is, what is RuPay debit card? Question: what is RuPay debit card? Its first objective is domestic debit card. Second objective is introduced by National Payment Correspondent of India. Its third objective, acceptable of all ATM po scheme. Its fourth objective, all of above. Its right answer is all of above. Fourth number is right answer. Next question. Question is, minimum term of fixed deposit is. Minimum term of fixed deposit is 5. His first objective is 5 year. Second objective 7 year. Third objective 10 year. His fourth objective is 10 year. So right answer is fourth, 10 year. Next question. Question: if locker rent is not paid, bank can. If locker rent is not paid, bank can. Is first objective, seal the locker. Second objective, stop operation of locker. Third objective, break open the locker after giving suitable notice. Is fourth objective, all of above. His right answer is all of above. Fourth number is right answer. Next question. Question is, contents of locker are. Is first objective is only no then hearer. Second objective no by bank. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव बोथ ए और बी दोनों. फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव नॉन ऑफ एबव. इस राइट आंसर इज ओनली नॉन देन हेरर. फर्स्ट इज राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इंटरेस्ट ऑन FDRS इज कंपाउंडेड ऑन. क्वेश्चन interest of FDRA is compounded on. is first objective monthly basic, second objective quarterly basis, third objective half yearly basis, is fourth objective yearly basis. is right answer is quarterly basis. Second is right answer. Next question. Question fixed deposit can. Question fixed deposit can. Is first objective is not a withdrawal before maturity. Second objective paid only after maturity. Third objective withdrawal before maturity. Is fourth objective all of above. Is right answer is withdrawn before maturity. Is right answer is third. Next question. क्वेश्चन ATM कैन बी यूज फॉर. क्वेश्चन है ATM कैन बी यूज फॉर. इस फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव कैश विड्रॉल. सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज अकाउंट इंक्वायरी. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट. इस फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑल ऑफ अबव. इस राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ अबव. फोर्थ इज राइट आंसर. ATM कैन बी यूज. इस राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ अबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is mutilated notes. First objective is should be. Second objective should be thrown by above. Third objective should be thrown. Fourth objective none of above. Is right answer is should be thrown. Is right answer is third. Next question. Question interest on saving bank deposit is paid. Question interest on saving bank deposit of paid. Is right answer first objective every month, second objective quarterly, third objective half yearly, fourth objective yearly. Is right answer is third half yearly. Is right answer is third. Next question. Question will making nomination signature of nominee is required on. Question will making nomination signature of nominee is required on. Is first objective account opening form, second objective nomination form, third objective affidavit, fourth objective none of above. Is right answer is none of above. Is right answer is fourth none of above. Next question. Question in recurring deposit. Question in recurring deposit. If first objective is a fixed sum is deposit every month. Second objective period of deposit in fixed term. Second objective interest of paid at FDR rate. Is fourth objective all of above. Is right answer is fourth all of above. Is right answer is all of above. Next question. Question account pay check can be paid. Question account pay checks can be paid. Is first objective is at cash counter of bank. Second objective at ATM. Third objective by deposit is bank account. Is fourth objective none of above. Is right answer is by deposit in bank account. Is right answer is third. Next question. Question payment of check can be stopped by. Question. Payment of check can be stopped by. Is first objective is beneficiary, second objective nominee, third objective drawer of check, fourth objective all of above. Is right answer is all of above. Is right answer is fourth. Next question. क्वेश्चन है मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ चेक. क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ चेक इज फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव 100 करोड़ रुपीज, सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव नो लिमिट, थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव 1 करोड़ रुपीज, फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव नॉन ऑफ अबव. इज राइट आंसर इज नो लिमिट. इज राइट आंसर इज सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question. TDS means. Question. TDS means is first objective time deposit scheme, second objective total deposit scheme, third objective tax decoded for secured, is fourth objective none of above. His right answer is tax decoded at secured. His right answer is third. Next question. Question. Who can open bank account? Who can open bank account? Is first objective Indian citizen, second objective non-resident Indian, third objective is indicator, fourth objective all of above. Is right answer is all of above. So right answer is fourth. Next question. Question is nomination once do can. Nomination once do can is first objective is not be cancelled, second objective be cancelled, is third objective non be charge changes, is fourth objective non of above. Is right answer is be cancelled. Is right answer is second.